back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome back to Not Just Mommy Time. I am Jacinda. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I've got a new vendor for you guys. and I want to show you guys my new tubes that just came in. So let me just show you, and these are kind of all over the place now because I went through them myself already, but these are my tubes and I'm so excited. I ordered over 200 of these babies. And my vendor, of course, doing some extra tubes for me, so that's always exciting. So I got these three colors. These is blue with the metallic rim, yellow, and then pink with the pink metallic rim. Welcome my son to the party. So anyways, I got these three beautiful colors, and hopefully we'll be having some more colors too. I love how they package everything. They keep them separated in these pretty dividers. So this is how they package them. And then they also package the little stoppers separately. I love that. So I love my vendor. They're awesome. They always throw in a couple extra tubes for you, girl. So that always comes in handy. So I wanted to just show you guys my new tubes. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm working on a restock, so I'm restocking everything. I'll be restocking all my glosses and all my scrubs and everything like that. And I'm currently working on like some new pigmented lip glosses and stuff like that. So your girl is trying to roll out a lot of stuff for you guys. So if you guys are looking for a vendor, a lip tube vendor, and you guys like these tubes, please hit up www.blessedmamma.com, www.blessedmamma.myshopify.com. I will have the link across here, and of course I'll have the link down in the description. I got you covered. I have these pink and the yellow like I just showed you. These tubes, people love these tubes, and what I love about these tubes is that when you actually pull them out, the way that the tube is, let me see if I can show you guys, but the way that the tube is, it's like at an angle, so when you pull it out, you don't lose much product, because I know with some, you pull it out and the stopper catches a lot of the product, and so you have to go back and double dip. But the way this is because the tube, the little wand comes at an angle, you could just put a lot on this part, and you can't have this on, and it doesn't, the stopper doesn't scrape as much product off because of the angle that the tube was at. So I love that. So I just want to pop in. What's the matter? You okay? Okay. So I just wanted to pop in real quick, you guys, and show you guys my new tubes that I just got in, and also let you guys know that your girl is a tube vendor. If there's a certain tube that you're looking for and I don't have, just hit me up. Just hit me up, and I'm sure that if I don't have the tube, so So if there's a certain tube that you guys are looking for and I don't have it, just hit me up and I'm sure that I could probably find it for you. And probably just do like a pre-order for you guys or something like that. But yeah, hit me up because I am also a tube vendor. I do sell tubes, wand tubes. I will be getting some squeeze tubes because I know that a lot of people like squeeze tubes with the different colored tops and all that. So I'm just looking to see what color tops is kind of in right now. But what matter? But I will be getting some squeeze tubes but for now your girl just have wand tubes. So hit me up if you are looking for a U.S. based. Hit me up if you're looking for a U.S. based tube vendor. I got you guys. I just want to pop in real quick and show you guys my tubes and let you guys know that your girl is a tube vendor. My son is ready for lunch, so I will see you guys in my next video. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want more Lipgloss videos. Because I do plan to be bringing the heat with more lip gloss videos. How to make lip gloss, lip scrubs, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for all that and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.